Hi, my name's Jovan, and today you'll be learning how to quickly create a realistic sky in Unreal Engine. This is a really quick video. It'll help a lot in starting to create these hyper-realistic renders. Obviously there's a lot more steps involved when you want to make something perfect or close to it, but this is more than a good enough start for hyper-realism. You can make some incredible looking things with just this one simple step. This process works in Unreal Engine 4 and Unreal Engine 5. It's the same across both. I'll be using UE5 in this tutorial. Essentially all you need to do is go into your Unreal scene, click File, New Level, and then click the time of day button that pops up here. That'll create everything that you need to create these really hyper-real skies. And that's essentially it. It may not seem like much at the moment, but when you start populating the scene with hyper-real assets, then you'll see the magic start to happen. So to actually get the lighting tool to work, you just have to click Ctrl L on your keyboard. If it doesn't work, just click off into an empty space so nothing's selected, and then click Ctrl L, and then just move around your mouse and it will move the actual position of the sun, changing the time of day, changing the angle of the sun, and it will make really, really nice dynamic shadows. Then if you want further control over this, go to the top right corner in the world outliner and click on your directional light. Then going down to the light shaft section that's appeared in the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can change the amount of bloom, the actual sun's intensity, and a whole bunch more sections that really lets you dial in these sun settings to amplify that level of realism. Then once your scene's all lit, you can start to populate it with your realistic assets, which you can get from Quixel Megascans, which is free. Then just set up your scene with your camera in the sequencer. I've got a video in one of these corners from last week which you can see how to do that. And you can make some really, really cool looking scenes really easily in Unreal Engine for free. Thanks for watching this quick video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you like what you saw and want to see more, please consider liking and subscribing. I make 4 videos a month on something in Blender or Unreal Engine related. So if there's something you want to see, let me know down below and I might make a video about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.